Okay, YouTube, got some PS3 controller questions. First off, brand new DualShock 3 Sony PlayStation controller, and that's all it does. I've tried holding the reset button for 5 seconds. I've tried using the actual PlayStation 3 controller cord, and it don't work. I also have this one. This one come as a DualShock 3. It come with the PlayStation 3, and it does the same thing. As you can tell, they're both still flashing. That one finally went off. And now that one's off. Okay. To prove that it is not the battery, this is one with the joysticks were all messed up. They got the stick in it and whatnot, so I kept it around for parts, whatnot. But as you can see, it's charging. The battery, this battery here, come out of this one. This battery come out of this one. And like I said, this one, it is not syncing, it's not doing nothing. Taking the charger cord out of it. Plug in there, nothing. Hit the reset button, nothing. It just sits there and blinks, 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 blinks. So it's definitely not the battery. So if anybody's got suggestions, please comment. Thank you.